Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Do Right. The song is Do Right, the artist is Shay Nicole, the choreography is Country Smooth and Mike Laurie. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end. Also, I will be doing a modification for this dance, taking out some of the turns. So I'll do the original choreography and I'll do the modification. Here we go. There you go, Do Right. Make sure you check out the step-by-step instructions. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.